Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can upload custom fonts in Canva in 2025, and it will be an easy and free tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you want to upload in custom font, then you just need to go to the brands. Once you come over here, then here you can upload your font. In that place you just need to click on brand kit, and here you can see you can upload your logos, you can upload your colors and also the font one. So here you just need to click this one and you can easily upload your fonts. So go to the fonts, and here you just need to add your font. So if you are using the premium plan, then you can easily access these options. Right now you can see there is a options here that says that it is a premium plan option. So right now I am using the free one, that I am not able to use or upload any font in here in Canva. So if you move to the premium one, then you can easily upload any font here. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.